Hello, students. Hope you are doing well in this pandemic. So, today's topic is Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov addition. Okay, so let's see where this anti-Markovnikov and Markovnikov rule is applied. That is, if we react a alkene with a halo acid, it can go addition reaction in two ways. Okay, one is our Markovnikov way, and second is anti-Markovnikov way. Okay. Now, in Markovnikov way, we will just get HBr, HCl, HI like these halo acids. But in anti-Markovnikov, what we get is only and only HBr plus C6H5COOH as a solvent. Okay, so you have to remember this condition of anti-Markovnikov. That is, anti-Markovnikov rule only applies when the reagent is HBr plus C6H5COOH. Now, let us see what is this anti-Markovnikov and Markovnikov. That is, if we take an example of this alkene, okay, so now we are adding a halo acid here. Now what Markovnikov said, he said this halo acid can break into two parts, that is H plus and Br minus. Now this double bond also get opened like this. Now we don't know that what the charge on this carbon atom will be and what the charge will this carbon atom have. So Markovnikov said that the positive part of the halo acid, that is our here H plus, that goes to the carbon atom where there is more number of hydrogen. That means we can see that here in the double bond there is two carbon here, right? So here this is have two hydrogen, so this carbon has more number of hydrogen, so the positive part goes here, and he said that the negative part goes to that carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen. That means here, so what will be the product then? It will be like this, right? CH3 CHBr CH3. That's how we decide that where the positive part will go and where the negative part will go. So this is our Markovnikov addition. Okay. Now, what will be the anti-Markovnikov then? That is, if we take the same alkene as the example and add our required reagent for anti-Markovnikov, that is HBr and C6H5COOH, what will happen? That the opposite thing of Markovnikov will happen here, right? So this negative part goes to our that carbon atom where number of hydrogen is more here, okay, and the positive part will go here and number of hydrogen atom is less, so the final product will come like this. Okay, so let's write it. It is anti-Markovnikov. Okay, so let's see an example for carbon chain. In NEET question, they will give you a alkene like this. Okay. Now they will give you two sides of it. One will have only HBr and one will have HBr with C6H5COOH. Okay. And they will ask you what will be the product here. So at first glance, you will do that. You will open the double bond and you will just add the plus and minus part, like what I have told you. But here is something more. That is, we have to first draw its carbon cation. Okay. So what will be the carbocation of it? So let's draw it. It is if the double bond opens, I have told you that it will be the positive part. Now, as you can see that it is 2-degree carbon atom, this carbon atom, right? But here we have one 3-degree carbon atom. So let's write it. It is 3 degree, it is 2 degree. So stability of 3-degree carbocation is greater than 2 degree. So what will happen? This H, this has a hydrogen here, right? So this hydrogen will go here. So we call it hydrogen shift. Okay. So what happens here? If we shift the hydrogen, positive charge will go away, and this 3-degree carbon atom has the positive charge. Then we will add this minus part here. Okay. So it will be added here like this. So this will be our final product for this. But in case of HBr C6COOH, it doesn't apply here carbon atom. So for this HBr C6H5COOH, what happens? Anti-Markovnikov. So we don't have to make a carbocation here. We will just add it as our anti-Markovnikov rule. So that will be Br will be added here. Okay. So that's it.
To learn difficult concept of physics, chemistry and biology within few minutes to crack NEET and JEE with fun, like, share and subscribe our new YouTube channel Shantu. You will get conceptual videos, highly effective notes, short tricks, mock tests and much more. Hope we shall meet there.